Okay, we are going to review Unit 3, the human body, life processes of people. So, do you remember what was this? The first photo, we can see a father with his son, right? Or his daughter. So, this is what? Nutrition, interaction or reproduction? Very good. This is interaction. Perfect. And now a mother with her baby is nutrition? No. Interaction? No. Reproduction? Very good. Then we can see two children having lunch. So this is what? This is nutrition. Very good. And then a mother with two babies. It's reproduction. Very good. Then we can see 4 people having lunch. This is nutrition. Perfect. And finally, we can see 2 children playing games. So this is nutrition? No. Reproduction? No. Interaction. Very good. So, well, like animals and plants, people have 3 different life processes. Look, nutrition, interaction, reproduction. Very good. Then, nutrition. People eat food because we need energy to grow, work, or play. We need a balanced diet and 5 regular meals. In the PowerPoint you have on your Padlet, you can watch a video on YouTube about nutrition, in this case, healthy eating, right? Okay, interaction. What about interaction? We have contact with other people every day. But not now with the coronavirus outbreak. But usually we have this type of contact, right? Then we talk to other people and how we feel. We also love, help, respect, play, or work together. Now, what about reproduction? People reproduce and have babies. A mother can have 1 baby at one time, or look, sometimes can have 2 or more babies. Do you remember when 2 babies are born at the same time? What's this? Twins, very good. And 3 babies that are born at the same time are called triplets. Perfect. So this is all for today.